Welcome back to Making Magic at Spaeth Design. I'm here with Chris Dopher, one of our designers, and working something here with a little statue. Let him tell us what's going on. Chris, can you give us a clue about what's going on here?
Well, David, this statue is for one of the windows in Chile, and while most of the sculpt is fine, the face is a little too rough. So we've decided to 3D print a face and replace it.
So what do you mean by 3D print?
Well, I can model human heads and scale them to whatever's needed and print only the parts needed to fix it. I can do the whole head. I could do just the face. We could 3D print entire figures if they're the right size. Yeah.
Can you give us a little clue on the computer? Show us what you mean when you say you're modeling this face, and then give us a preview of what she might look like when we're all done.
Well, I'm taking a previously built model, and I'm trimming it down so that we'll only have the face to print. And I need to modify the face before printing just a little bit. This one is, as you can see, maybe a little masculine in the chin area, and we can soften up her features in the cheeks, and her nose is quite large. So I can make all of those adjustments in this program before we print, and then send it to the 3D printer. And it'll take maybe 2 to 3 hours to print just the face at the size we need. Almost Statue of Liberty in its dignity. But we didn't want this features to be too sharp or specific because it's going on to a sculpt where the features are not sharp or specific. But all in all, there's more detail than the sculpt's face. So it's an improvement.
Okay, it's about 3 hours after we originally talked to Chris when he sent it to the 3D printer. This is our 3D printer. It looks a little bit like a soda vending machine. But when we take the model out, it's sort of like opening the oven and hoping that the cake rose. So we don't know what it looks like yet. This is the first reveal. So Chris, you want to do the honors?
Yeah, it really is like an oven. It's quite hot in here, 99 degrees. This is a little toasty. There's our face right there. We print with the biggest, flattest side down so that it'll save time in printing and save material. And if we're lucky, it'll pop right off.
Hopefully not pop onto the floor.
There we go. Just like that.
So the next operation is a face transplant, and then she gets ready. She goes to Chile after this.
Yeah.
There you have it. Another episode of Making Magic from Spaeth Design.